Effective home remedies for polycystic ovary. Though many women are having the problem of polycystic ovary syndrome, they are just ignoring it until the problem becomes serious, especially after marriage when planning for a child. Polycystic ovarian syndrome is one of the dangerous female health issue of this generation as it affects the fertility. Polycystic ovary syndrome is a condition in which sex hormones are imbalanced. As the name says, poly, many, cysts, small water bags, are formed in the ovaries, which stops the menstrual cycle. Not all women who have irregular periods are having polycystic ovary syndrome, but it is must diagnose it if you the symptom of irregular periods. First, let's us look into the major causes of polycystic ovary syndrome problem. Symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome: severe pain in pelvic areas and abdomen, decrease in breast size, severe hair loss or hair thinning, stress, depression and mood swings, excessive hair growth on face, chest, stomach, thumbs or toes, change in voice tone, aggressive or deeper tone, not able to conceive, irregular periods and excessive menstrual bleeding during delayed cycle, weight gain, acne. These are extremely useful home remedies to cure polycystic ovary syndrome in 14 days. Follow all these home remedies one after the other as said in it for 14 days. It will help to cure polycystic ovary syndrome faster. If the problem still persists, visit a gynecologist. Aloe vera. Consumption of aloe is the great natural medicine to cure polycystic ovary syndrome problem. It is very useful to kill those cysts in the ovaries and prevents it from further formation. Also, it promotes regular periods and cures ovarian hormonal imbalance. Cut the aloe and extract the pure gel. Wash it for 7-8 times and cut them into pieces. Store in a refrigerator. After drinking the fenugreek fennel water in the morning, eat 2-3 of aloe gel. Aloe tastes very bitter to eat, instead put 2 pieces in the mouth and drink water. Flaxseed. Flax seeds are said to help in treating polycystic ovary syndrome as it decreases androgen levels. It also contains lignans that binds the testosterone hormone and prevents it from creating an imbalance in the body. Mix a teaspoon of flaxseed in a glass of water and drink it until you notice a change. Fenugreek. Fenugreek promotes glucose metabolism in the body and improves insulin resistance. This in turn helps balance your hormones. It may also help lower cholesterol, aid weight loss and promote healthy heart functioning. Soak 3 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds in water for 6 to 8 hours. Take 1 teaspoon of the soaked seeds along with some honey in the morning on an empty stomach. Also take 1 teaspoon of the seeds about 10 minutes prior to lunch and 1 teaspoon prior to dinner. Continue this treatment daily for a few weeks or until you see improvement. You can also include fenugreek seeds and leaves in your regular diet. Water. Water is considered essential to flush out free radicals and other harmful organisms that could potentially cause hormonal imbalances, which in turn would cause polycystic ovary syndrome or aggravate an existing condition. Drink at least 10 glasses of water every day if you have polycystic ovary syndrome. Include plenty of watery fruits and vegetables to your diet to provide your body with enough water to ease off the symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome. Licorice. Add 1 teaspoon of dried licorice root to a cup of boiling water. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes and then strain it. Drink this tea 2 or 3 times daily for a few weeks. Alternatively, you can take this herb in supplement form. You can take 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of licorice tincture 2 or 3 times a day for a few weeks. Make sure to consult your doctor to find out the proper dosage for your case. Note: licorice root may not be suitable for those suffering from high blood pressure or heart, kidney or liver disease. It may also have an effect on blood glucose levels. Cinnamon and honey. Cinnamon and honey for polycystic ovary syndrome. 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder and 1 tablespoon honey. Combine the 2 and ingest it. Cinnamon is a herb that is used widely in kitchens. It is known to increase insulin sensitivity and boost calorie burning. It reduces lipid and cholesterol levels in the body. Repeat this once every day. Saw palmetto. Saw palmetto extract. Depending on the concentration of the extract, take about 150 mg and 200 mg equivalent of it. The excess levels of testosterone seen in polycystic ovary syndrome is brought down by this herb. It prevents testosterone from turning into dihydrotestosterone, which leads to excessive hair growth. Take this supplement daily. Women who breastfeed or are pregnant should not use this herb. Control your weight. If you are overweight or obese, you stand stronger chances of contracting conditions like hypertension, diabetes and high cholesterol, all of which can cause polycystic ovary syndrome and aggravate the symptoms of an existing condition. A healthy weight would enable your body to fight off polycystic ovary syndrome and its symptoms effectively with little or no external aid. Losing weight would also effectively reduce the androgen levels in the body, thereby restoring ovulation and regulating the menstrual cycles. This in turn would curb infertility, a common complaint among women suffering from polycystic ovary syndrome. Sesame seeds. 1 teaspoon black sesame seeds. A glass of water. Jaggery. Boil the seeds in water until the water reduces to half. Strain this mixture and add some jaggery for taste. Drink this herbal decoction. Sesame seeds contain nutrients beneficial for polycystic ovary syndrome patients. Its healthy fats help to regulate blood glucose levels. It also contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc. Drink 1-2 cups in a day. Chasteberry for polycystic ovary syndrome. Chasteberry, also called Vitex, is another popular herb for relieving the symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome and treating infertility due to a hormonal imbalance. It is a great hormone balancing herb and is also used as a remedy for menstrual problems. Boil a cup of water and add 1 teaspoon of fresh or dried chasteberries. Let it steep for about 10 minutes. Strain and drink this tea daily for a few weeks or months, until you see improvement. Discontinue its use once you are satisfied with the results. Alternatively, you can take this herb in supplement form. For proper dosage and suitability, consult your doctor. Exercise regularly. Many women may not know it, but regular exercises can help treat polycystic ovary syndrome and its symptoms effectively. In addition to helping you lose weight, regular exercises can improve insulin sensitivity and regulate menstrual cycles to a great extent. Moderate amount of exercise are often recommended for women with polycystic ovary syndrome. Although walking is considered as the best form of exercise for women with polycystic ovary syndrome, you can also opt for jogging, running, skipping, swimming, biking and weight training in order to get relief from the condition. Even household activities like sweeping, climbing the stairs, cooking, cleaning, dusting and gardening etc. can act as effective exercise to combat polycystic ovary syndrome and its symptoms. Protein. Add foods like eggs, fish, legumes, milk products and soy to your regular diet. These foods would effectively provide relief for the symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome and prevent recurrences. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. For more health tips, subscribe this channel.